and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has fallen 8.3% in the last two sessions. The ADX is sinking into the negative zone. The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last three sessions. The highs-lows indicator has transitioned into neutral territory. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has sunk into negative territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 0.6% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator is cooling down and is currently negative.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
A battle for control of Poland's booming $19 billion online shopping market is about to reach a fever pitch after Amazon Incorporated said it plans to launch in the EU's largest eastern economy. London-listed shares closed lower, led by a decline in mining shares as a surge in virus cases and movement curbs raised demand worries, while Fresnillo slumped. Reddit is partnering with the Ethereum Foundation to build scaling solutions for the blockchain network, expanding its role in the ecosystem.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. gross domestic product annualized will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 13:30 GMT, Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1300 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 1000 GMT, Japan's unemployment rate at 2330 GMT, Japan's Tokyo CPI at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.